Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need two prerequisites, a named part and Explorer visible so you can attach UI. First, select the part in Explorer, then insert a Surface GUI from the Insert Object menu. Set Surface GUI. Face to the surface you want and set a door knee to the part when necessary. This ensures the GUI follows the surface orientation. Once done, add a text label or image label as a child. Make sure to enable Reset on Spawn False if you want persistence. This gets you straight into visible UI placement. Now design the content. You add text label or image label into the Surface GUI and set size using UDIM2 scale so it adapts to part size. Use anchor point and position with UDIM2. New, X scale, X offset, Y scale, Y offset to align elements precisely. Once elements are placed, create a local script inside the Surface GUI or Starter GUI to handle input. For example, connect mouse button one click to a function that fires a remote event. Make sure the script references the parent Surface GUI correctly and tests in play mode. Finish by refining canvas size and pixel transparency. Adjust canvas size to match desired pixel resolution so UI scales cleanly on the part. Once done, hook up remote events if the UI must affect server state. Call remote event, fire server from the local script. Test in both play and server start modes to confirm behavior. If the GUI is invisible or misaligned, inspect a door-knee, face, canvas size, and z-index order. One key troubleshooting tip: set Surface GUI. Reset on Spawn False and reparent during runtime to refresh rendering if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.